Welcome back. We're continuing to celebrate Women's History Month this morning. Here with us we have Barbie Parsons, aka Barbie the Welder.
Yes.
And she is going to talk about this beautiful artwork that she makes and how it is being a woman in a traditionally male-dominated industry.
Right.
Welcome.
Yeah, welcome. We're so excited to have you. So tell us about this piece that's right here.
So this is the Broken Angel sculpture. She is made, just one of my, this one came out of my head. Normally I work for clients and I do custom orders for clients. This one just kind of came to me, and she's made actually using, completely made out of scrap metal.
That is so cool. So I asked you this earlier, but it kind of, the first thing that I thought of when I heard Barbie the Welder was, I can imagine you as like a little girl saying, when I grow up, I want to be a welder. Was it actually like that, or did you always know you wanted to be a welder?
No, actually, I just found welding 11 years ago. When I was a kid, I wanted to be the first kid in space, and then I wanted to be the first woman on the Harlem Globetrotters.
So ambitious.
Yeah, you've always had pretty good ambitions. So what got you into welding?
11 years ago, I saw the movie Castaway starring Tom Hanks, and I actually have a background in auto mechanics out of high school. I was an auto mechanic, had gone to college for it, and really loved it, but ended up getting out of the industry. It stopped feeding my soul, and I saw the movie Castaway starring Tom Hanks, and in the beginning there's a 15-second clip of this woman, and she's welding these giant angel wings, and it spoke to my soul. I spent the next several months saving up to go to money for college, well, adult education for BOCES locally here in Elmira, and took welding, and then got hired at Cameron Manufacturing and Design. Learned how to weld, worked there for 5 years, and then quit to go full-time as a metal sculptor.
So 15 seconds of a movie set the stage for your entire career.
Yes.
That is amazing.
Truly insane.
Now, how has it been for you as a woman, and this is like a male-dominated industry?
It's actually been magnificent for me. Now, not every woman has that experience, but in school, my teacher was extremely supportive. The other students, which all male, were extremely supportive. When I got hired at Cameron Manufacturing and Design here in Horseheads, same thing, just extremely supportive. People were generous and shared their knowledge with me. It was incredible. It was everything I'd hoped for, and then way more.
And just a few minutes ago, you said you're less like Barbie and more like G.I. Joe. So do you have a message for, young women and young girls out there who might be feeling kind of the same way, like they're surrounded by other girls who are, thinking about Barbies and, fashion and everything, and they have different interests? Do you have a message for them, to follow what they really want to do?
Just do whatever makes your heart happy. If climbing trees makes you happy, then go out and climb trees. I feel like the world's changing with social media and everything else. People are seeing just other people that are doing what makes them happy. They're seeing all these opportunities and realizing just because I'm a woman, I don't have to cook, or just because I'm a man, I could be a nurse. Like, there's incredible career opportunities out there for everybody, and I think it's just finding what makes your heart really happy.
I love that.
Thank you so much. Perfect message for Women's History Month.
Absolutely.
We're going to have we'll be right back after these messages.
Yeah.